All right, and then, yeah. So that's for the production tab here. I also have properties. Okay. So the fluid for gas and the PVT correlation, you see default. You can of course exercise with it. The viscosity correlation, I use Caretol. The gas type, wet gas. Gas property, I input it here. Okay. Gas impurities, I have CO2, 10.68%. I have H2S. I don't have nitrogen. Critical temperature and critical pressure will be calculated. And here, okay, I have the initial reservoir pressure. This is the reservoir temperature. This is the net pay of my reservoir. I can input. This is the wellbore radius. Okay. And this is the total porosity. I input. The total porosity is 15.6. Initial gas saturation, initial oil saturation, initial water saturation based on the petrophysical analysis. You can input it here. Of course, you input the gas impurities here and the specific gravity for the gas here. And again, you can select the PVT correlation that is suitable with your fluid. And this will be calculated. The Z factor, the gas formation volume factor, compressibility, viscosity, and then the density. All right. This is the formation compressibility at initial reservoir pressure and temperature. And the initial total compressibility will be calculated by the harmony. Okay, so that's for the gas. And this is for the oil. Okay, you input this one, the solution gas oil ratio. This one is the oil gravity in API degree. Okay, of course you can open and then change some parameters. And then this is the bubble point pressure you input based on your fluid. Okay. And water, usually the rule of thumb, the basic number or the simple number, specific gravity of water, 1. Salinity, if you have, you can input maybe 10,000, 100,000, right? You can input as per your salinity. Okay, we don't have gas lift in this operation. Actually, this is a gas well. Okay, and then for the formation, there is no adsorption will be considered in the calculation. Okay, and then for the geomechanic, you can also input the permeability modulus, okay, or Young's modulus. But in this case, it will not be considered. And then relative permeability for gas water relative permeability, gas oil relative permeability, oil water relative permeability, you can input, but in this case, I will use default numbers. Okay. And this is the 3-phase relative permeability. Okay, so basically in this step, in the editors, we just input the information, maybe from the petrophysical analysis or geological analysis, you can input it here, and also fluid properties, okay? And then wellbore.